As always, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that bell to be notified for future videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another Cuda's Diecast Customs video. Today we are doing a quick unboxing from our friend Mike Gordon. You guys might know him as Mike's Mods and Customs over on YouTube. If you haven't already, please go check him out. The link will be in the description below. So, me and Mike were talking and I needed some parts for a build that I'm doing for a client. A lot of you might know that I'm working on a 64 Impala for a good customer, and I wanted to do something a little bit different because I'm going to send him the car I just showed you and something a little bit different because I thought it would be cool. Anyways, I needed the car, and the box finally came with the parts. Thank you again, Mike, for sending me this. But he said there was something additionally in there. A couple things. He did add a couple stickers that I already put up on the wall up here and on the tackle box. So thank you for the stickers, buddy. And I have already started opening this box, and I was very surprised. And this Hot Wheels Premium Fast and Furious kit was in there. You got the Dom Charger, the Supra, the Jetta, and the cool truck to put cars on. Mike, this is awesome, man. And also, guys, if you think I'm really faint right now, I apologize. My brother is across the way on the other side of our basement, and he's in middle class, so I really don't want to interrupt him. So anyways, dude, this is awesome. This is cool. I was not expecting this. I know you were trying to get rid of it, but I really do owe you one, man, and I'm going to cherish this forever. Thank you, man. I owe you big time. And secondly, he wrote me a note as well saying just a little something for you. You had mentioned in our many conversations that you really liked Fast and Furious. Well, I cannot thank you enough for all the help you get me going with the videos. So here you are, my friend, a little gift. Oh, and the 64 Impala you asked for. Mike's Mods and Customs. Mike, again, dude, I'm going to keep this note. I'm going to keep the box. I appreciate it. I'm really grateful. Also, because a lot of you are probably curious, this is the Impala I needed. You probably saw it in his first video, but I need it for just everything. I love it, and I really want to do a wheel swap and do some work with it. So guys, that's really all I got for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm very grateful for this unboxing and mail call. And also, don't forget, you only have until tomorrow night to sign up for the Porsche giveaway. That link will be in the description below, so make sure to check that out if you haven't already. Alright guys, thanks again. I'll see you on Friday. Bye guys.